Outside of the sheer numbers and the proximity to the bulk of the population and better facilities, etc., all of that aside, one of the reasons why the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, CASAFA, stands apart from the other parishes is their attention and focus on youth football. Look, for example, at the level of participation and enthusiasm at this recent Under-10 football rally. From a developmental standpoint, this kind of experience is invaluable for the youngsters. Camaraderie, learning to execute the basic fundamentals of the game in a competitive environment, in a local context, for youngsters of the CASAFA clubs and by extension the communities to be exposed to this kind of exercise so early gives them a clear advantage going forward to higher age groups, under 13, under 15, under 17, going into Manning Cup. This is a big part of the reason why the Kingston teams have been so dominant in schoolboy football in recent years. The young players in CASAFA are probably 4 or 5 years ahead of their counterparts in the other parishes in terms of organized age group exposure. The young players of CASAFA are more battle-hardened in competitive football from earlier. One more thing. You see the little youth them with them first touch and them movement and them finishing, etc. This is the age and stage, 6 and 7 and 8 years old, at which the fundamentals of the game are taught and learned, not at age 32. We don't call nobody name. I don't call